This tutorial will teach you about the product page. The beginning of the video describes fields that are essential and should be filled in before the product can be used by the system. Later in the video, we will address the advanced features. Let's begin with the essential fields. The System ID field identifies all products for the system and cannot be duplicated. The UPC, Universal Product Code, field should be populated by scanning the product label using a barcode scanner. This field stores the product's unique identifier, which is used during searches and for shipping the item. The Alt UPC field is the UPC or EIN number provided to all marketplace stores as an SKU or item ID number. This field is important because some marketplaces have databases of UPC and EIN numbers that may not match scanned label of the product. The quantity is the count of units currently in stock. The system title is the system name for the product. The system title is populated from a word grid below. To fill in the system title, enter each word into a separate box in the word grid. To move to the next field, press Tab or Enter on your keyboard. Spaces will be automatically removed from data fields when saved. If you need to separate words within a single field, use a special character. When you update words in the grid, the system title and marketplace title will automatically update as well. You can edit these titles by clicking the checkboxes below the product name. Note: be cautious when optimizing the system title, as only the words displayed will be searchable by the system. The condition dropdown allows you to select whether the product is new or in another condition, such as used or refurbished. This field is required by most marketplaces. The category dropdown lets you select the appropriate category used by the marketplace. If the category you need is not available, please contact VendorElite support to have it added. The reserve field is used as an amount of stock buffer to prevent overselling. In the Hazmat field, click the toggle to select Yes to designate the product as a dangerous good. The brand field is a mandatory field by most marketplaces. Select or create one by clicking Add New from the drop-down list. For pictures, add square images of the product of at least 1,000 pixels on each side. The price field should display the product's original price in the supplier's local currency. Next, we have the product dimensions row. The weight is mandatory, while length, width, and height are optional. Use the toggle to switch between the imperial and metric systems. The description, instructions, and ingredients fields should be unique product descriptions for the sellerspree.com marketplace. The other marketplace description is the product description that will be uploaded to all other marketplaces. Do not forget to click Save button to add the product to the system. The next section is for sellers who are already somewhat familiar with the VendorElite system and want to be more thorough and automate their processes. Clicking the Add New will let you create another product with default settings. Clicking Add Similar allows you to create a new product that closely resembles the current product page. Most of the product details, including words and settings, will be automatically copied from the previous product. This feature is particularly useful for quickly adding inventory items that share similar attributes, saving you time and reducing the need to re-enter repetitive information. The product list and cancel buttons will take you to the product list page without saving changes. The global update feature allows you to refresh and synchronize all markets with any updated or modified data. When you make changes to product information, prices, or other details, the global update ensures that these changes are applied across all marketplaces and platforms where your products are listed, keeping everything consistent and up to date. The Pack UPC field is used to enter the manufacturer's unique identifier for a bundle or pack of multiple items. This UPC is typically found on the packaging of the bundled products and serves as a way to manage of the entire pack rather than individual items and helps ensure accurate inventory management. The pack quantity is the count of units in the manufacturer's bundle. The designation field adds a label at the beginning of the system title. This label will only appear in the internal system title, not in the product listings visible to customers. This helps keep internal labels for organization or promotions separate from what customers see. The supplier dropdown allows you to choose a supplier for the product. To add a new supplier, click Add New Supplier in the drop-down menu. Selecting default will apply standard settings for cost, handling, rate, and product reorder lag in VendorElite. You can also change the product's supplier anytime using the Supplier Manager. The supplier attributes are important for automatic calculating of product costs and market prices. For more details, click the Supplier Manager link on the home page. The location fields are divided into 4 consecutive units. There are lots of helpful features described in the instruction video on the inventory location page. The Assign Class section allows you to categorize or classify a product based on sales performance. This feature can automatically apply discounts to items that have not sold within a certain time frame, helping to move slow-moving inventory. By assigning products to different classes, you can better manage pricing, promotions, and stock levels based on their sales history or market demand. The cost field refers to the net price of the item after factoring in the supplier's discounts, any applicable promotions, and adjustments for currency exchange rates. It represents the actual amount paid for the product before any markup or additional fees. This field can be set to manage automatically from the Supplier Manager page. The handling refers to the costs associated with importing, storing, and shipping products. It includes expenses like shipping fees, warehousing costs, and any additional handling charges incurred during the product's journey from supplier to customer. This field can be automatically managed and updated from the Supplier Manager page to ensure accurate and consistent handling charges. The rate field can serve multiple purposes, such as applying the supplier's discount or adjusting for currency exchange rates. If the product is bought and sold in the same currency, enter 1 in the rate field or leave it blank. If the product is purchased in a foreign currency, enter the exchange rate for converting that currency to your business's preferred currency. For example, if American business purchases goods from a European supplier and the exchange rate is €1 to 1.15 US, the American company would enter 1.15 in the rate field. Another use of this feature is when a supplier offers a consistent discount, for example, 25% on all products. Enter 0.75 in the rate field, which represents 75% of the original price. To automatically calculate all product cost for the supplier, create a formula on the Supplier Manager page by multiplying P, price, by R, rate. The variable field is an additional setting that can be used in formulas to automatically calculate the marketplace price. It allows you to adjust the price displayed on the marketplace by adding or subtracting a specific amount. A positive value in the variable field will increase the marketplace price. A negative value will decrease the marketplace price. This field is specifically used to modify the store's price calculation and cannot be applied to other areas. By adjusting the value in the variable field, you can fine-tune the pricing on the marketplace to meet your business needs. VendorElite offers many features that assist sellers in calculating product-related expenses and marketplace prices. Please refer to Help menu in the Supplier Manager and Price Manager pages for more details. The inventory. Capacity and pack fields are essential for managing your inventory levels. The capacity field tracks the maximum quantity of a product that you wish to store in the warehouse inventory, helping you monitor inventory levels efficiently. The pack field refers to how products are grouped or packaged, which is important for managing reordering quantity. For a detailed explanation of how these fields function and how to use them effectively, please refer to the Purchase Manager page. Click the Expand button to open the Product Shipping Preset section. For a detailed guide on how these fields work and how to use them effectively, please refer to the Shipping Preset page. To help you get started, we've already configured the default values to prevent common mistakes made by new users. Packaging for one refers to the weight of the packing materials used for a single item. Packaging for multiple refers to the weight of the packing materials used when shipping 2 or more items together in one package. Options 1 through 8 represent preset shipping preferences that are automatically selected based on the total shipping weight of the package. These options help streamline the shipping process by assigning the appropriate settings based on the weight of the items being shipped. The SKU box is automatically populated after saving the page from the Alt-UPC field above. The SKU number can be manually changed for individual marketplaces. The SSID is the sellerspree.com identification value of the product and works similarly to Amazon ASIN number. The Amazon Store ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number, is used to link a product to the existing Amazon.com catalog. It serves as a unique identifier for products listed on Amazon. To connect a product to Amazon's inventory, you can use either the SKU or the ASIN number. The SKU is typically used for your internal tracking, while the ASIN allows you to link directly to Amazon's catalog, ensuring your product is matched with the correct listing. The minimum and maximum price will be used for reporting price range to the marketplace. The minimum value is the default price for uploading product to a marketplace before engaging repricing. To list the product to a marketplace store, move the toggle from Stop to Upload. The Engage checkbox next to Stop and Upload toggle will disable global upload and remove functions on the Market Upload page. Clicking Advance button will open detailed options of the marketplace. Usually these are preset for each category. Please contact VendorElite support if you need more details or changes made here. The Update button will renew changed data for that marketplace store. Thank you for watching this VendorElite tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact our customer service team.